This is the brief on the basics of the carbon cycle. Today, we're looking at a clear, step-by-step whiteboard roadmap showing exactly how carbon travels across our planet, proving why every living thing absolutely depends on this continuous, unbreakable loop. First, the golden rule of carbon. You see, it's never created or destroyed, it's just moved. It cycles continuously through the air, land, oceans, and living things, starting as invisible CO2 gas building up in the atmosphere. Think of it like a giant planetary set of Lego bricks. We never get new bricks, Earth just keeps breaking them down and rebuilding them into totally different things. Second, we have the living loop. This is how carbon moves right through biological life. Plants pull CO2 from the air via photosynthesis to make their own food. Then animals eat those plants for energy and literally breathe that carbon right back out. When plants and animals eventually die, decomposers like bacteria break them down, releasing that carbon back into the sky. It's a perfect biological relay race. Finally, we hit the non-living sinks and emitters. The ocean acts as a massive natural carbon sink, absorbing about a third of the atmosphere's CO2 and safely storing it in seawater as bicarbonate. But on the flip side, combustion, like cars and factories burning fossil fuels, rapidly releases all that stored carbon. If the ocean is a giant sponge soaking up CO2, human combustion is essentially squeezing that stored gas straight back into the air. Ultimately, the carbon cycle is Earth's never-ending recycling program that perfectly balances land, sea, and life, as long as the loop isn't pushed out of balance.